Hello stitchers! Today we are taking your satin stitch to the next level with the beautiful dimensional padded satin stitch. This technique is perfect for adding volume to a shape. We are going to build up several layers of stitches inside the shape. For the first layer, make your stitches relatively short. We normally need to split stitch the outline for our shape. I didn't do it here because each square of my chessboard will be outlined with a stem stitch. You can refer to this video if you don't know how to make a split stitch. For the second layer, stitch directly on top of the first. The key rule here is that each layer of padding must have slightly longer stitches than the layer beneath it. For my shape, I want to have 4 layers. The last layer of padding stitches must always be perpendicular to the direction of your funnel satin stitch. I want my satin stitch to run vertically, so my last padding needs to run horizontally. The stitches of the last layer should be the widest, reaching almost but not quite your outline. This ensures the dome shape is highest and widest in the center. Now, we cover the padding using the satin stitch. We will take a single stitch from one outline all the way to the opposite one, always stitching over the split stitch outline. Now remember here I don't have a split stitch because my whole design will be outlined later, but for your design you most probably will have one. And the split stitch is perfect for satin stitch because it creates a really clean outline. We always start in the center of the shape to be able to control better the direction of the stitch. The padding underneath will hold the satin stitch up, creating that smooth three-dimensional look. And there you have it, the padded satin stitch. If you want to practice 10 other cool stitches on this design, you can download the free PDF or purchase the kit on my website. The link is in the description below. Happy stitching!